Hi guys, welcome to our London apartment. Since we're staying here for about 2 weeks, I thought it would be cool to give you a tour of this space. It's a really interesting apartment, and I personally think it's really fun watching these kind of videos, so I figured we could just share one. So let's do a quick tour. We're obviously in like the main living area right now. Behind me is the living space, and then we have like the kitchen and dining space right there, and I'll do some overlays so that you can kind of see the space. But it's also 2 levels, which I think is really cool. We have an upstairs and the bedroom is upstairs. So let's just go in here because I just want to show you kind of how this is laid out. There's a big couch here, beautiful windows right there. We are staying on what they call a mews. It's kind of like an alley, I guess you could say. So it's really quiet, which is nice. So we can kind of keep these windows open and not really hear any sound. Couch, chairs, everything like that. And we'll go over here and kitchen. So there's a little seating table right here for 3 people. This is, I think, a perfect apartment for 2 people. The seating like arrangement is, I guess 3 people could stay here now that I'm thinking about it, because 1 could sleep here and 2 could sleep upstairs. But the living room is comfortable for 2 people, I would say, because there's just 1 couch. So this is the kitchen. It came fully stocked with pots, pans, everything you need as you usually get in an Airbnb. It has an induction cooktop, which is really cool. It has an oven, so we got some frozen pizzas, which I'm going to show you, and we're going to make those for dinner one of the nights. It also came stocked with like a bunch of spices, which I found to be kind of unusual because that, or I guess a plus. Most Airbnbs don't have as much as they have here. Over here we have like our little coffee and tea station. So there's a hot water kettle, and one of the things that's really great about, I think, personally for me as a tea drinker being in Europe, is that they always have hot water kettles instead of just coffee makers, because in America, in hotels especially, usually it's just those little mini coffee makers, and if you're a tea drinker and you make hot water in those coffee makers, it tastes disgusting. So I'm all for the tea kettles. And then this little blender is actually something that I bought at a store here. We're staying here, like I said, for a little bit over 2 weeks. So I decided to invest in a blender so that I could make my smoothies and not have to buy them out. This little thing, it's fully plastic, so it wasn't expensive at all. It was 20 pounds. And basically smoothies here are around like 8 to 10 pounds. So I figured it would pay for itself pretty quickly. There's a dishwasher, which is great. And then I'm gonna show you the fridge over here. It's a full fridge and freezer, which is awesome. I am gonna be filming like a whole food haul thing for grocery shopping here. So it's pretty bare right now, but it comes with this nice little cool Brita, which is awesome. And then a full freezer for all of our smoothie stuff. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you the bedroom. All right, so we're on the little landing right here. Behind me is the bedroom, and in here is the bathroom. Let me turn the light, and I'll show you the bathroom first. So it's a nice sized bathroom, full shower and tub, which is awesome. It has 2 really large medicine cabinets, which is great for storage. And then one of the most important things for us was making sure that we had a washer dryer, since we're gonna be here for so long. So there's like a combo, whoa, it's running right now, but combo washer dryer thing in there. In America it's a little bit different because we have the washer and dryer, but they do combo ones here, which takes forever, but I guess it's more efficient. I don't really know. Let's go into the bedroom. This is my favorite part of the apartment and kind of what sold me on the apartment, and the fact that it was 2 levels, because I told you guys on Instagram, I don't know if I've talked about it here, but I am still following my like everyday morning routine Monday through Friday. So I still get up at 6, go for like a run, exercise, and then I sit down and do some work. And it's really nice having the separation so that I'm not being too loud when I work out or anything like that, waking him up. So the bedroom is really beautiful. It's huge. You could do like all the activities in here. It has a really nice big bed. This is a queen size bed, which is perfect. 2 really nice sized windows, and then tons of storage behind me. So what's great is that we were able to fully unpack. Like I said, we're here for 2 weeks. So I don't need to like show you everything, but huge and big enough that we were able to store all of our luggage as well. So that pretty much does the bedroom. I have like a little section or a little thing over there where it's like makeup and things like that. There's a lot of mirrors in this place also, which makes it feel a lot bigger, which is great. But that pretty much does it. So let's go back downstairs and I'll close out, give you some upcoming like things that we're gonna be filming for the channel and say goodbye. So let's go downstairs. And there you have it, my friends. That concludes our London apartment tour. Let me know if you like this kind of video. We are staying in a few more Airbnbs in some other cities. So if you like this kind of tour style thing, you're interested in seeing where we're staying, let me know and I will make sure to film the ones that we are going to. I think we're gonna have Rome for like a week and Barcelona, not sure what other cities, but let me know, maybe Lisbon. Yeah, let me know down in the comment box. I also will be updating this description box with the direct listing link to this Airbnb. So if you're coming to London and you want to stay here, then you absolutely can book it. This is not sponsored or anything. It's just, I find it interesting to watch these kind of videos. So check out the description box because that link will be in there soonish. And otherwise, I think that's all I have. I do just want to share a few other videos that we're going to be filming while we're here in London. I'm not doing a ton of vlogging here because I've already vlogged before in the city and I've done like what I eat for like a week here. So I'll link that down below for you. I also have a healthy eating guide, which I'll be updating after we leave here with some more places that we discovered. So I'm gonna be doing a single what I eat in a day video. I think there will be some cooking, which is a little bit different because we are cooking home more often. And I'm also gonna be doing, like I said when we were talking over at the fridge, a Whole Foods and Planet Organic haul. So those are two Whole Foods, obviously Whole Foods. Planet Organic is a similar concept to Whole Foods. Based on what I've seen already, I actually like it better than the one here. And I'm excited to share some new products that they don't carry in the United States. So we're gonna be doing a grocery haul. And yeah, I think other than that, just let me know what types of travel videos you like to see. I'm always open to your guys' suggestions. I wanna make sure that I'm filming things that you find interesting. So let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button right below this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!